New video. New day, new video, guys. So welcome to the channel. I'm Steve FPVs, and today I did a dumb thing. So I went out to record a video. I took my camera, I took my drone, and I forgot to put a battery in the camera. The battery was still on the charger. So here I'm home now, and I'm gonna be shooting this part of the video after flying. So there's a few things I want to talk about. First of all, yesterday my O3 unit stopped working, and so it would stop recording. I would still get video feed to the goggle, and I could still, everything was working except it would not record. So the way it's set up with my Tango 2, it records automatically at takeoff as soon as I arm the drone, because I cannot figure out how to set up a button for recording. And yesterday, for whatever reason, it would not record anymore. So I called DJI, I opened a new case, they sent me a shipping label, and I was ready to ship the O3 unit. I took it apart and I noticed that one of the GST pin on the 3-to-1 cable was slightly moving. The last one, the gray one. So I noticed that the GST pin was slightly moving. So I repin it. I put it back together, and I went for a flight, and the O3 was recording. So that's great news. So it seems like what I discovered today, I didn't know that. The last cable, the gray one, on the 3-to-1 cable that DJI provides, is the recording and the telemetry. So that's fixed. And I ordered a new cable just in case. So yeah, so that's about it. And then what's the other thing? Oh yeah, today I went for a flight, and you will see that in the video. I was doing a power loop, practicing my power loop, which I suck at it. I don't know why. It's like super hard to do. It's very hard to like master, man. It's like, it looks easy, but it's not easy. Anyway, I was going through the goal post, and I hit the top bar, and the freewheel ND filter popped out. It took me about 15 minutes to look for it in the grass. I finally found it. It's still in one piece, not scratched, so that's good. And what else? Yeah, that's about it for today. New video, new day, new video, man. Yeah.